We are gonna start today's video off by voting. It is time to vote, y'all. And if you live in Ohio, you already know what it is. So that is what I'm gonna do right now. I'll take you guys along with me. What's so weird is every single time I vote, I park in the same spot. Ain't that weird? That's a sign. Just like that, yeah, it literally was one thing on the ballot and that is what we voted for, to keep our constitutional rights, basically, is what it was, for or against. Does your vote count, or is it majority rule? That is what that was all about. So you can already imagine how I voted, but we ain't about to talk about politics, okay? This is the spray bottle that I use when I use that machine for cleaning the windows, and it has my magic concoction in it, so I'm going to be using it everywhere today. Okay, over the last 7 days, your girl has been down with the flu, okay? So all of this needs cleaned. I really need to do a gypsy couch clean because that disinfects everything. I need to clean the windows as well. There is actually a fly in this window. And according to 𝐇𝐎𝐒, the fly has been there for a few weeks. So, a few months. It ain't been there a few months. Anyway, she don't want to be on camera. About your Rolex or your credit card. Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit. Trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. I'm really loving this window cleaning gadget. It's so helpful, and I'm the type of person, if something helps me and helps my job, you know, to be easier, I'm gonna use it, okay? But since I have it out, why not clean off this mirror? Another thing that sometimes makes cleaning easier is if you can find a seat somewhere and clean, you win it, okay? And I'm exhausted, so I decided to sit down and clean this off. I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? How are you doing today? What have you been up to? I recently watched this show on Netflix called Muted, M-U-T-E-D. I don't know why it's hard for me to say that word. Anyway, I give the show a C+. It was a slow burn. It was mysterious, but the ending really kind of, yeah, I wasn't really feeling it. Anyway, if you decide to watch it, let me know how you like it. If you're a first timer here, hey, I'm Kim. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my home. I do videos pertaining to home life. I love to cook. I love to clean. I like to do repairs, DIYs, paintings, projects, all sorts of things like that. I really love to help and encourage people as well. If that's your vibe, please do not forget to hit subscribe when you leave out, and also show that like button some love. It really does help the algorithm in YouTube. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know. I was looking in this cabinet thinking like, wow, girl, you really be shuffling stuff around, because when I first decorated this cabinet, it was laid out. And now all of those pieces are just scattered all around the house, you know, somewhere doing something else, serving another purpose.
Could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything is secret? Everything is secret. Everything is
I'm so happy that I decided to do this gypsy couch clean because I did find a little bit of barbecue sauce on the couch in a few different spots, and I also spilled coffee and I totally forgot about it, so I was able to get that up and it just smells amazing. Thank you so much for being here, everyone. I truly appreciate it. I decided to stick with that one long video per month as requested. So if you requested that, here you go. This video is less than 20 minutes, but it's longer than my normal, 10, 12, 13 minutes. So hopefully you are getting all kinds of motivation, because Lord knows sometimes I need the motivation as well. When I do my gypsy couch clean, I use Mr. Clean Yellow Disinfectant Only. It smells so good and my living room smells amazing, and it's degermified now. I'm pretty sure degermify is a word, but if it's not, it's okay because I like to make up words anyway. It's funny because every time I clean off the stand, I always look in the little trinkets to be sure there are no spiders. For some reason, my house, or spiders, love my house, even though I take them out like the Terminator, okay? Peppermint oil and vinegar go a long way with insects. This side of my sink has really been neglected this week, so I wanted to get this taken care of, especially focusing on the soap dispensers, the soap dispenser tray, and also the paper towel holder. 'Cause we don't got forever, tell the truth, just spit it out. This feeling is the worst of things, just let me go and let me in. Want this to stop, I'm giving in, so don't you get under my skin. Oh, but be nice if you're letting me go. Think twice if you're not even sure you're right. Be nice, be nice. For the amount of food splatters that I had on this wall, you would really think that I was like a 1-year-old, flinging food around the room. It was pretty bad. This thing gets so dirty, and really what it boils down to, see if you can see that, is like all the dust and all the gook and all the crud because it's next to the sink. If you're Here are all the cleaning cloths that I've gone through so far between the living room and my kitchen, because once it gets like real gross, like when you wipe up and you can see stuff on the counter, that's when you know it's time to, you know, change that cleaning cloth out. This sink needed a healing, miracle, and prayer. So I want to take a poll real quick. How often do you clean out your kitchen sink? Comment down below.
I know it don't show, but I'm falling. Cigarette smoke.
So with my O-Cedar mop, it doesn't have a doohickey on there in order to spray. So I'm spraying my magic concoction on the floor and I'm going to mop it. I don't know what's been up with me lately in these floors, but they are just not getting mopped as much as they should. Like, for real, I'm gonna just keep it 100 because y'all know I like to do that on this channel. So I need to start holding myself accountable to handle these floors way more often than I am.
Don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood. Beating up for fun. Caress my bruises. Don't wanna go deep. Do it again and again, babe. No matter if we come clean.
Looking good. Looking real good. And it smells better, so I'm over here winning. I'm all about celebrating the things that you get accomplished off of that task list. Haria, she vacuumed the floors for me in the living room because she wanted to go get some food. Let's be real. Let me turn the light on. The couch is clean. Everything in here has been wiped down. I'm feeling great about life. Like I said, she vacuumed the floor for me. The vacuum lines look good. Sorry to get you dizzy. And she actually swept the kitchen. So all I had to do was mop it after I did the speed clean in here. Everything is nice and clean and it smells amazing. I'm feeling so much better about life. How do you know you've had the flu recently without saying, I've had the flu recently? Oh, maybe by the sweat on my face. And I'm like, I've not really even done anything and I'm sweating like a crazy person. Yeah, disgusting. Yesterday, we had a downpour with a tornado watch. And this is what happened. I don't know. It just has like some sort of gangster-lean going on. I had to, this is like the third plant that the wind ruined. So I've had to like dig up these and some other ones. The funny thing about it is I did not even plant these and I took the bulbs out last year and then I decided I didn't want to put them back in. But somehow, some way, I have me some elephant ears, y'all. I also have elephant ears. I love this one right here. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Anyway, I also have elephant ears right here that are growing in. So I don't know if it's because a bird, don't even go there, Kim. Anyway, my cat lily is finally about to deplete. That is what the flower bed is looking like. And now I'm going in the house. My daughter and I just came from Five Guys Burgers and Fries. Here is what my food is looking like. And I love the malt vinegar on my fries. Leave a comment down below if you like the malt vinegar as well. This right here, that is not okay. So I'm gonna get that taken care of real quick. In here we have some CLR. So I'm gonna spray some CLR and I'm gonna scrub a dub in that tub. Well, it's not a tub, it's a shower. But anyway, okay. I figure I should probably show you what the rest of it looks like. And it all has just like a little bit of, you know, whatever you want to call that stuff. Shower crud, soap scum, whatever. But that needs to come off. Pick one, anyone. So, I think we're gonna go with this one.
You got a lot of exes, but none of them know you better. The stories you've heard could be you and I. Hey, let me explain, get to the reason why it's not.
that definitely looks better. Obviously, I can get a little bit more into those cracks and crevices, but I have the rest of the shower to do. And like I said, I'm just getting over the flu, so your girl is tired. This little gadget comes in handy as well. You can use it for so many different things, and I will leave the link to this in the description box. I'm trying to get up close. You see like that all over the shower too, so I want to go ahead and get all of the chrome wiped off, and then I'll clean on top of here all the way around. That has to be cleaned, and then the top of here has to be cleaned as well. Let's get to it. You know, if you are the type of person who starts a project and then doesn't finish it for like, I don't know, years. I have painted this bathroom like 3 times and I still have not removed the old paint from the very first time I painted it off of here. But that's okay, because life be lifing and life gets busy, you know? Have you been saying your affirmations? I hope you know that you are worthy, you are loved, and you are enough. I just did that because I stepped in the shower with shoes on, so ignore that. That's gonna get cleaned out. See how that shines? So what I clean the outside and the doors with is my magic concoction, and then I use that CLR to get through those nitty gritty, disgusting, dirty, moldy, mildewy, whatever it is. I'm assuming it was like mildew buildup. I don't know. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter because it's gone. Looks really good. Sorry, I have a cord in my hand. All of this part looks good too. The bottom part of this plastic was covered as well. Do you know how many times I had to record that over because I was getting tongue-tied, okay? My shower, I don't clean it out as much as I used to because I use that magic concoction and it really cleans it out for you. So y'all better check it out. I'm telling you what, I'm gonna sell that one day. Now the bathtub, that's a whole nother story. I really need to clean this out, but I'm tired and I don't feel like it. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this before, but my mom saw this in the store and she got it for me and was like, hey, you know, try this out and see if it works. So I definitely want to do this in my toilet area. So I'm gonna do it and then I'll let you guys know how it works because I know y'all don't like toilet stuff, okay? If you've ever been to a public bathroom, some of y'all need some toilet cleaning training. This is what we're looking like. So what you have to do is fill your bottle up with water and then you put your cleaner in there. One piece of advice that I'm going to give you about a toilet is clean it more than 1 time per week. I'll get you some of this, okay? This stuff works good and it smells amazing. Like really, really good. I'm telling you what. Thanks, Mom, because this stuff works so well. Hey, it's the next day and I feel like a human finally. Yesterday I did way too much, so I had to end this. Let me turn this music down before they copyright me. They're going to po-po. Okay. I got a whole bunch of stuff to do today, but anyway, I wanted to say thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you so much. And like I said, yeah, I had to end the video yesterday because your girl was tired. I guess word to the wise is if you ever have the flu or anything like that, the next day that you're feeling better, girl, sit down, have several seats, okay? Kim should have had several seats, but that's a whole nother story. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.